the fifth and final exercise of the early stage of back pain is a neural glide. So a lot of people, when they get back pain, they can get associated neural tightness. Your nerves will stiffen up just like any part of your body, like your joints can stiffen, your muscles can stiffen, your nerves can also stiffen up a little bit. So this is an easy way to start to stretch or glide the nerve inside your body, just so that it gets more comfortable with you doing movements in the future. So in a seated position here, all you're going to do is just lift your leg up, and as you drop your head, you're going to drop your toes. As you lift your head, you're going to lift your toes. And that's all this exercise is. So you're going to do about 12 on this leg and 12 on the other leg. So your nerves start from your brain, go down through your spinal cord, shoot up through the bottom, through the glutes, down the hamstrings, and then they split all the way down into your toes. So what this is doing is getting your body used to these kind of movements, putting yourself in a very tight, compact position, and then slowly loosening everything up. You don't hold the stretch for too long. It's a glide. You want to go in and out of positions. You can actually irritate your nerves a little bit if you hold it or stretch it for too long. So hold it for about 3 seconds max. Again, lifting up and back down. And the main thing is you should feel a bit of a stretch or a little bit of discomfort through the leg, under the hamstring, all the way down to the toes. And if this is too much, you can make it a little bit easier by just doing at the knee. So same thing, as you straighten the knee, you're going to look up. As you drop the leg, looking down. So it's the same thing, just if you're a little bit more irritated, you can do this variation and you're still gliding that nerve. Give that a go. See how your body feels. It will help significantly with a lot of sciatic based symptoms and any neural referred symptoms down your leg.